Standard 2nd, Subject Science, Chapter number 3rd. Uses of plants. Plants are very useful for us, that we know that everything we are getting from the plant. For example, we get food, wood, paper, medicines, gums, rubber, perfumes and fibers from the plant. Here they have given whatever we are getting from the plants. That again I am repeating, we are getting food, wood, paper, medicines, gum, rubber, perfume and fibers from the plant. In the same way, here they have given food from the plants. Which type of foods we are getting from the plant? Cereals and pulses. We eat seeds of some plants like wheat, rice and maize. Wheat means gehu, rice means chawal, maize means corn you are eating. These seeds are called cereals. They have given here example wheat, rice, maize and jowar. They are called cereals. And wheat is used for making chapatis, bread and cake. And rice is used for making idlis and dosas, and daily you are eating dal chawal, dal rice. So these are the few examples of the cereals and pulses. Here pulses are given gram and black lentil. Here I am explaining you. Seeds of some plants are called pulses like gram and black lentil. Gram means chane and black lentil means udad. Cereals or pulses are known as food grains. Vegetables. We eat fresh and green vegetables. They are good for our health. That whatever vegetables we are eating, it is good for our health. Vegetables are eaten raw or cooked. Some vegetables we are eating raw. Like example, carrot, radish, tomato. All that type of vegetables we are eating raw. Or some vegetables that we cannot able to eat raw, and they are potato, brinjal, bottle gourd, etc. It is a cooked food. Cooked vegetables. Before cooking we are not eating, but raw vegetables we can eat without cook. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Here they have given examples that we eat the roots of the plant like turnip, carrot, beetroot and radish. Here they have given that we eat the roots. We are eating roots of these examples given: carrot, beetroot, turnip and radish. We are eating the roots of this plant. Here we eat the underground stem of some plants like onion, ginger and potatoes. Here they have given examples of onion, potato and ginger. So these all are underground stems. These are roots and these are stems. So remember these examples, so it will help you to write answers also. We eat the leaves of some plants like cabbage, spinach, mint and methi. These are leaves of the plant that we are eating. So here they have given that leaves of some plants. So are cabbage, spinach and mint. Here they have given now fruits and nuts. We eat fruits like apples, bananas, pears, guavas, mangoes, pineapples and oranges. Here they have given different name of the fruits. And fruits are tasty and good for our health. If we will eat fruit, then it is very good for our health. Fruits grow from flowers of the plant. Directly it is not growing on the plant. First on the plant it grows a flower, and from flower it will grow into fruits. Not like almond and nuts, walnuts are dry fruits. After becoming dry, it will become a dry fruit. Almond also and nuts also. Here they have given examples that nuts like almond and walnuts are dry fruit. Here they have given examples of fruits and dry fruits also. Here they are spices. Spices means whatever we are eating in the vegetables. Daily we are using like chili, cloves, pepper. We eat spices like chili, cloves, pepper, cumin. Chili means mirch, cloves mean long, pepper means mari powder, kali mirch. फिर cumin means जीरा, ginger means adrak and turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. From plants, we add spices to our food to make it tasty. We are using all these type of spices to make our food tasty. Oils. Which type of oils we are eating? We are eating edible oils. There are many types of oils, but we are eating only edible oils. We get oil from the seeds of some plants like groundnut, mustard, sunflower and coconut. Oil used for cooking are called edible oil. Ask your mother which oil she is using cooking for. Also ask which oil she applies on your head. For applying on your head and for cooking, which type of oil you are using, that you have to ask to your mother. Here we are getting oil from the groundnut, mustard means right, sunflower and coconut. Mostly we are using coconut oil to apply in our head, and others are groundnut, mustard and sunflower we are using for cooking. It is edible. In coconut also they are eating, but in Kerala side we are not eating coconut oil, but in Kerala side mostly people are eating this type of oil for cooking. Tea, coffee and sugar cane. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. Coffee beans are crushed to form coffee powder. Coffee beans are coming, and from that they are crushing, and after that they are making a powder from there. Sugar is made from sugar cane juice. We are getting sugar from the sugar cane, गन्ने में से. Coca is made from seeds of coca tree, and coca is used to make chocolates. Coca is used to make chocolates. We are eating chocolates, so it is made from this coca. Sugar we are getting from sugar cane. Then coffee we are getting from coffee beans, and tea we are getting from tea plant. Fibers from plants. We get cotton and jute from the plants. These are used for making clothes, sack and mats. We are using cotton and jute from plants. We are getting cotton from the plants and jute also from the plant, and from cotton we are making different types of clothes, and from jute we are making sack and mat. We are using this sack to store grains and all in the market. Wood from plants. We get wood from trees. Wood is used to make houses, furniture, pencil. Wood is also used as a firewood for cooking. Here they have given that wood we are getting from tree, that we know, but wood is used for making houses. You know that we are using wood for making houses. Furniture mean table, chair, dining table, then cupboard, bed, everything. And pencil, we are using pencils, so it is also made from the wood of the plant. Wood is also used for firewood for cooking. At some places they are using wood to cook the food using that firewood. See, you can see this firewood. Furnitures, you can see this furniture also, bed, chair, cupboard, table. Here they have make doors and windows of this house, and mostly we are using teak and pine tree to make the furniture for the houses. Medicines from plants. We get medicine from few plants, such plants are called medicinal plants. We use the dried roots of mulethi, licorice, मुलेठी को लिकोराइस भी बोलते हैं, and the juice of tulsi leaves to cure cough and cold. Mostly you have seen that while you are feeling cough or cold, at that time your mother is giving you tulsi juice or mulethi juice, or here they have given neem also. Leaves and seeds of dhatura to cure asthma and bronchitis. Those who are patient of asthma and bronchitis, to cure that we are using dhatura seeds, leaves and seeds of dhatura. From these you can cure asthma and bronchitis disease also. The leaves and seeds oil of the neem to cure fever. If you are feeling fever, then you have to use the leaves of the neem or oil of the neem. It is very good for our health. Some are taking bath also of that neem, using the neem leaves. Turmeric means haldi powder for the treatment of wounds and spray. If you have cut with the knife or blade, at that time you have to just wash with the cold water, and after that you have to apply that turmeric powder. Or sometimes you are feeling cough, at that time also your mother was giving you turmeric adding in milk. Your mother is adding 1 or half spoon of turmeric powder, and if you will drink that, then it is good for your health also. Here they have given example of paper, gum and rubber from plants. We get paper from bamboo plant and we get rubber from rubber tree. Gum is made from the juice of acacia tree. You can see this tree. So from this tree, acacia tree, we are getting gum, and from rubber tree we are getting rubber, and from bamboo plant we are making paper. So here they have given different examples of paper. That paper we are getting from bamboo plant. Slipper, eraser and tire we are getting from rubber tree, and gum from acacia tree. Now I am showing you this exercise that we make chapatis from. From which flour we are making chapatis? Wheat flour. So wheat flour is the right answer. We eat the leaves of cabbage. So cabbage is the right answer. Match the following. Underground stem. Underground stem. Stem means what I said. Here they have given, see here underground stem, see here. So ginger is the example they have given. So right answer will come here, that ginger. Roots of carrot, yes, and oil we are getting from groundnut. Now I am showing you exercise of this chapter, and all this answer you will get from the answer key. So I am showing you afterwards. First of all, you take the screenshot of this page, and afterwards you will get question answers and everything. So you write it in your notebook, so it will helpful to you. So after I hope that you have taken screenshot of this, and now I am showing you answer key of this chapter. So this is, I am showing you answer key of chapter number 3 and 4 both together because it is on the same page. So hope you have taken screenshot of this and you can able to see this clearly. While I will take video of chapter number 4, at that time I will not show you the screenshots. So you take a screenshot of chapter number 3 and 4 both together. I hope that you have taken screenshot of this.